Go ahead. Oh, waist deep snow, blizzard of 96.
You're not taking that with us, are you?
No.
Why isn't the storm window here closed?
They were closed. Just go.
From the outside.
All right, I'll get it. We'll get it later.
I'm done.
You want me to go ahead of you?
This is very hard. If I fall, I'm fucked.
You want me to go?
Wow. Quite a bit of snow on the roof. What are you typing?
Yep. Winter Wonderland, honey. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
It looks like there's nothing on the ground. Say hi to your public.
Hi, public. Hi, public.
On this day in January, we already had a base of about 8 inches. We received an additional, how many inches, hon?
20? 17 or 18.
About 20 more inches.
Approximately.
Kim has been diligently shoveling here all day,
I have not.
and you can see the fruit of her labor.
You did most of the work, huh?
Uh-uh. What remains is this lunar landscape of snow.
Take a look at the roof. You probably can't see it, huh? Or either that or you're gonna have a glare from the lights.
It's tough to judge how high this is, but it's over my head. Yes, yes, I decorated too. Look at the roof. Anybody want to go up there? Got icicles on the power lines. Wow, look what she did. And go all the way around the car.
I'm going in, don't
Well, we still have to do this. We have to do the lunar landscape.
The who?
Behind me.
No, we don't.
Come on. I can't make you out. You're very dark. Come closer.
It is not. We have to. We have to deal with it today.
Let me hear you whine.
Please, no.
Damn thing, I paused it when you hit me. Ow! I'm bleeding now.
Oh well.
Oh,
Let's go.
yeah, hit me in the head with the shovel. Go ahead.
Oh, that's fine. I'm done.
Oh, I'm not done.
Well, yes, you are.
No. I gotta finish up.
You're done.
Can't. I gotta finish this up. And, take this another half hour.
No.